Global Access Forex. The one thing I need you to understand about one saying, it is not about you are right or you are wrong. It's about money you lost while you are wrong, and how much money you lost while you are right, or how much money you risk while you are wrong, or how much money you risk while you are right. That's the most important aspect of the trading psychology and terminology with respect to money management concepts you need to understand, which it compiled together, risks together, aligned them together. I'm very sure with a good trading plan and a good strategy and also a good trading system, you can be able to excel the forex market global. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. I'm back again with another awesome entry for Volatility 75 Indian trading strategy. You see, look at this trade, just look at this structure, look at it very well. I'm very sure you like what you are seeing here, you like everything that you are seeing here, because the market is actually giving you what you want. So anytime you buy from where you are supposed to buy or sell from where you're supposed to sell, definitely you must always get what you want from the market. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. Welcome back today in this awesome Volatility 75 index trading technique. So in this special video today, I'm going to highlight to you why is it that if you are trading, it's good to have a quality setup. What I mean by quality setup, a quality setup is a kind of setup that is being defined by higher time frame confluence and lower time frame confluence. So let me show you exactly what I mean now. So I gave this signal yesterday, but we are still holding this signal from yesterday up till today. But let me show you why I was able to hold this trade for a very long time like this. You can see the market profit is reading $2,000. $2,000. Just look at it. You see? Just look at it. So if you have one good quality signals, does not mean you must have too many signals. Please try and understand that you don't need too many signals. You need only one quality signals. That's the only thing you need. If you have one quality signals that can give you what you want, you can be able to ride your market, ride your trend to achieve result. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. So let me dive in and show you what I need to show you so that we can configure the things. Let's go on here. So let's go to 30-minute chart. You can see from the 30-minute chart we are having a double bottom here. We are having a double top structure. Sorry, this is double top, not bottom. So you see, look at what happened here. Market was able to break these highs. You see, market was unable to break that highs. Only the wick that went above. You see, and let me mark the highs of the wick. So you see, this is the level market was unable to break. So look at this now. I have already aligned my levels. I know that market has never broken below these levels. And what happened? Market come back here, come and let me a minute. Go up here, come down, go off, still come down and break my neckline and break the word 50 exponential moving average. You see, that's to tell you that the market is in a strong trend. So after this breakout now, that's telling me that yes, market is changing direction and is heading downwards, and that was the reason we hold this trend. And let me show you how I got my confirmations from our own special Volatility 75 index strategy. I've already aligned the signals here from the higher time frames, you see. Then I go down to my 5-minute time frame. I got my confirmations from there. Let me show you. You see, this is it. This is where I got my confirmations. Market has crossed here. I got another one here and ride the trend. So the same thing, I got the same confirmation for the 1 minute chart, because with the volatility 75 index strategy, you can have confirmations from both sides. Look at it now. I have confirmations here, and I ride my trend. So this is at non-global access forex, Forex. So please try understand that sometimes the quality of signal matters. Good signals matters. It's not about too many signals. It's just about one good quality signals to help you and to help your trading account. This is at non-global access forex. Nice talk to you now. See you in my next video. Bye.